Hi, my name is Holly Robinson, and I'm going to walk you through the technical implementation for my digital placemaking solution. This story is a rewriting of the philosophies developed by William Morris during the Industrial Revolution. Morris noticed that the influence of machinery eliminated personalization and true character from objects and design as they removed any room for error. He believed each creator should leave their mark through their individual handwriting, whatever the craft may be. Now we see the digital revolution drawing a similar outcome onto creativity and connected experiences. Individuals are accustomed to autocorrect software, which enhances their creations and increases the struggle to leave a unique mark. My solution aims to start users on a path of discovering their own handwriting through the creation of a simple line drawing without any undo or eraser tools to challenge their ideals of perfection. The site I have chosen is Tramshed Narrabeen. This site is both a transit space to essential services and a place of recreation. Early research uncovered that families came to play at the playground as they discovered their children express themselves more creatively in this imaginative space. I also found that due to social distancing, life had been lost from this once busy and bustling space and was particularly noticeable at night for commuters. My design solution is aimed at connecting regular visitors through creative expression and a visual exchange of artworks to give back light, life, and a positive atmosphere. I started my build process by creating some basic patches of functions my drawing interface and projection needed to have. I then started to integrate them for the drawing interface so I could have a more usable and testable interaction. Whilst iterating, I also altered the aspect ratio and user controls to mimic something that would be used on a personal mobile device. I also integrated the relevant patches for my projection display. The next step included integrating a client server so that the drawings could be loaded immediately onto the projection display. I used Dropbox's infrastructure to connect the two codes online and act as a conduit for the client-server relationship. At this stage, I was able to perform some user testing on my peers and on industry professionals. The experience of seeing the artwork move from one screen to another was positive, but there was room for improvement with the controls. I needed to simplify the color selection and make the interface look more user-friendly for a younger age group. Error prevention and more information about the concept were also necessary. I used Photoshop to mock up the screens I wanted to create and exported images as the foundation of the UI. I then incorporated some additional functions to tidy up the code and added in some text notifications throughout the user flow. This was a cyclical process and involved numerous iterations. Following this, I tested on some children to see that the interaction was suitable and again went back to an industry professional for their advice and a heuristic evaluation. From here, I made some final tweaks. The solution works like this. Users can connect on site or at home via their personal mobile devices. They move through the drawing UI, selecting some colours and draw an image based on the daily theme. Once they finish drawing, the image is sent to the projection on site, which can also be viewed online. The on-site projection shows the newest creation in the centre and cycles through others in the surrounding space. People passing through the space at night now experience a more lively and safe space and are reminded of their community through artwork shown via the digital gallery.